How to add video clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add your clips. After the project loads, go to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will import all your video clips. Next, on the top left, you will see the Media Storage area. Browse through your folders, find the video clips you want to use, and drag them into the media pool at the bottom center. These clips are now part of your project and ready to be used in the timeline. After importing your clips, click on the Edit tab at the bottom. This is the section where you actually build your video. On the left side, you will see your imported clips in the media pool. Simply drag any clip you want from the media pool down into the timeline at the bottom. You can drop clips in any order you want, trim them, and rearrange them easily. If you need to insert a clip between two existing ones, just move the timeline marker to the right position, drag your clip from the media pool, and drop it where you want. DaVinci Resolve will automatically adjust the clips around it. Also make sure your clips match the project settings. If you are mixing different resolutions or frame rates, you might get a prompt asking whether to change the timeline settings. Just choose the option that fits your needs best. Once you are happy with the arrangement of your clips, you can begin editing, adding effects, transition, or color correction. And that's it. Now you know how to add video clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.